I absolutely love this 4-tier wooden display for my plant events. It's absolutely adorable. You can see how I can display different sizes of plants, but you can use it to display cupcakes or anything in your home. Assembly and disassembly are both easy. I recommend assembling, actually the instructions on the box say to assemble it from upside down. Once you assemble it, it is very sturdy. So you just remove each tier carefully. You don't need any additional tools to assemble, and it can be packed and saved in the same box that it came with. So I highly recommend it. Some people have used it for weddings, to decorate things in their home, and we're taking the last tier out, and then you can see how the pieces come out. Then you just put them back, and like I said, they go back into the box. So it's so easy to transport and just put away. Another example of how beautiful it makes my plants look.